Junior Buddies.
Hello friends, today we will learn phonics A to Z. A sounds album, apple. B sounds bed, book. C sounds candy, cap. D sounds desk, dog. E sounds egg, elephant. F sounds fur, fan, frog. G sounds girl, gorilla. H sounds hand, house. I sounds igloo, ice. J sound jam, jet. K sound key, kite. L sounds lamb, lion. M sound monkey, mouse. N sound nose, notebook. O sounds octopus, ox. P sounds panda, pig. Q sounds queen, question. R sound rabbit, robot. S sounds spider, sun. T sound table, turtle. U sounds umbrella, umpire. V sounds vase, violin. W sounds watch, window. X sounds box, fox. Y sounds yacht, yarn. Z sounds zebra, zoo. Hope you learned the sounds of the alphabet. Now keep practicing. See you next time. Bye bye.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for the latest update.